Hello children, welcome to the online classes. This is second standard English. All of you open your textbook, page number 29. Page number 29, this is third lesson, Happy Days Always. The name of the lesson is Happy Days Always. Already you have studied 2 lessons. Okay? Already you have studied 2 lessons. The first one is When Amma Went to School. One poem already you have studied, Crazy Daisy. Then the second one lesson is Fun Indoors. Already you have studied 2 lessons and 1 poem. Today we are going to study about the third lesson, Happy Days Always. Okay. See here children, in this page warm up is there. I will read for you this one sentence. You have to observe this properly. Positive. Positive thoughts help us develop a positive attitude. Read aloud these thoughts, color the positive thoughts and cross out the negative thought. Okay? I can never finish this work. The first one is I can never finish this work. This attitude is in your thought, thinking, in your thinking. This is positive or negative attitude? Tell me. Positive. If it is positive, you have to color. Okay? Otherwise you have to cross out the negative thoughts. I will try my best. This is the positive. This is positive. You give the color this one only. It is negative thought. In your imagination, this one is negative. You have to cross it. It one is positive thought. You have to take it. Then give the color also. No one loves me. No one loves me. This one is negative. In your thinking, if you have loved someone, they will also love you. Otherwise, no one loves you. Okay? I will learn to swim. Yes, it is a positive. You tick this one. I can never swim. This is negative. Okay? I can do this. This is positive. Always think positive. I will not stop trying. This is also positive. Okay? Here 3 negative thoughts are there. 4 positive thoughts are there. Okay children? The positive thoughts, those who are there, those positive thoughts you have to fill the color. Okay? Remaining negative thoughts you don't give the color. See here, they have given here lesson. I will read for you this one. One morning, Marjorie's mother called out to her a number of times to wake her up. In this picture, you have to observe it. Observe this picture. Here, who has slept? She is a Marjorie. She is Marjorie's mother. Okay? She come and called out so many times for wake up. Okay? But Marjorie did not reply. Marjorie did not reply to her mother because she did not want to get up. Because she did not want to get up because she want to sleep more time. So if when her mother will come to call to get up, on that time she did not want to get up, so she did not reply to her mother. Finally, Mama came to her room to wake up her. Finally, Mama came to her room to wake her up. Okay? Turn the page. Marjorie finally got up and crawled out of bed backwards. She stepped down and tripped over her shoes and fell. As she fell, she knocked the vase. The flowers and water spilled on the floor. She looked for a towel but could not find it. She was annoyed and cried aloud. See here, children. Marjorie finally got up. When her mother will come to get up to, wake up dear, wake up, that like she called. On that time she did not want to get up because she want to sleep more time. So she did not reply. Afterwards, Marjorie finally got up and crawled out of bed backwards. She stepped down and tripped over her shoes and fell. As she fell, she knocked the vase. The flowers and water spilled on the floor. She looked for a towel but could not find it. She was annoyed and cried aloud. Thus Marjorie's days began. When we get up early in the morning, our day will start. Our day begins to start. Okay? Marjorie's day began. Topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy means in a state of great confusion. In Kannada, upside down means tale kelagagu. Upside down, tale kelagagu. After breakfast, what she will do? Okay? Next we will go. After breakfast, Mama asked Marjorie to go to the baker to get some bread. Go and bring some bread. This sentence told to her mama. Whose mama? Marjorie's mama asked to Marjorie. Marjorie was still annoyed. So she went out, slamming the door shut. She rode her cycle to the shop. See here. She is Marjorie. She rode her cycle to the shop. She was so cross. She was so cross means angry. She was so angry with the way her day started that she did not notice the beautiful sunshine and flowers. She didn't see beautiful sunshine and flowers because every day she want to get up as soon as late. Okay? Hello, Marjorie, laughed a merry voice. Marjorie jumped with surprise when she heard her name. Marjorie jumped with surprise when she heard her name. She turned around and saw a little elf, a small creature like a human being. See here in the picture they have given shown. They have shown here. This is the elf. It is the human being, small creature this is. Okay? See here, Marjorie jumped with surprise when she heard her name. She turned around and saw a little elf standing behind her. Standing behind her, he wore a green suit and a pointed red cap. Okay? The little human being wore a green suit and a pointed red cap. She turned around. Who's turned around? When the Marjorie turned around and saw little elf means human, small human being. Okay? Who are you? And where did you come from? Marjorie cried. Marjorie cried, who are you? And where did you come from? I am Mary. Who told this one? Elf. The small creature told this one. I am Mary Chuckle from Make-Believe Land. She has came from Make-Believe Land. Her name is Mary Chuckle, replied the elf. Why are you so cross today? Why are you so cross today? I did not want to wake up. I did not want to wake up. Now also I want to sleep. I did not want to wake up, cried Marjorie. I know many children just like you who don't like waking up in the morning and who remain cross and ugly all the day long, said Merry Chuckle. It means chuckle means musinagu, husinagu. I know many children just like you only. They will also don't want to wake up. They want to sleep. They want to sleep. Okay? See here, she told, I know many children just like you who don't like waking up in the morning and who remain cross and ugly all the day. Mary said this one, I really don't mean to be cross, but I just can't help it sometimes. Marjorie said this one. Next page, see here, you can indeed help. You can indeed help it, Marjorie. Merry Chuckle said. And I am going to tell you how. And I am going to tell you how. When you awaken in the morning, say aloud, oh, what a lovely, happy day this is going to be. Then take 3 long, deep breaths. Then take 3 long, deep breaths and jump out of bed. Always remembering to put your toes on the floor first. How do we begin our day? Start in the morning. How should we feel in the morning? Okay, because we don't want to get up early in the morning. At that time, how can we feel? How can we get up? Okay, this is the main. Oh, what a lovely, happy day this is going to be. Then take 3 long, deep breaths and jump out of bed. Always remembering to put your toes on the floor first. Who is told this one? Who told this to whom? The Merry Chuckle told to Marjorie. Because the world which is always waiting for children to get out of bed backwards, then she catch them by the heels and makes their day topsy-turvy. Okay? Topsy-turvy. But when you get out of bed toes first, I will be there to start you on a pleasant day, and the witch will have to return to make believe and hide here her head. See here, what they are telling here? Because the old witch is always waiting for children to get out of bed backwards. That is very lazy persons, only they will do that like. Then she catches them by the heels and makes their day topsy-turvy. But when you get out of bed toes first, I will be there to start you on a pleasant day, and the witch will have to return to make believe land and hide her head. Continued Merry Chuckle. You are right. You are right. I did crawl out of bed backwards this morning, Marjorie said. I know you did. I know you did, my dear. Merry Chuckle giggled and disappeared. Okay. Marjorie looked around to see where Merry Chuckle had disappeared, but she could not see Merry Chuckle anywhere. Disappointed, she rode on to the bakery. She bought bread from the bakery and returned home. Okay. The next morning, Marjorie woke up and started clearly and firmly. It means in the next morning, Marjorie woke up very freshly. It means firmly. Oh, what a lovely day this is going to be. Then she took 3 long, deep breaths and jumped out of bed quickly, right on her toes. And sure enough, the old witch had to go back, and Marjorie spent a lovely, happy day with Mary Chuckle. I hope all children will hear of my recipe for a joyous day, said Mary Chuckle, so that each day for them can be filled with sunshine and happiness. See here children, in the every morning we will get up in as soon as possible in the early morning. Afterwards we took 3 long deep breaths and jumped out of bed quickly, and then right on our toes. Okay, when we will do this, like on that time we will get a good day. It means joyous day, and a whole day we will be happy. We will lovely. We will be lovely also. Okay. So every children and every human being will be get up early in the morning. Afterwards, you took 3 long deep breaths and jumped out of the bed quickly, right on your toes. Okay. This like you will do, on that day you will get very happiness. Okay children, this is the theme of the lesson. This is the theme of the lesson. Okay children, read this lesson one more time. When you want to watch the video, on that time you have to open your textbook, sit with your videos. Okay, more than 2 times you want to observe the videos which we have sent. You have to observe these videos more than 2 times. On that time only you are able to understand the lesson. Okay children, take care. Bye.